the North India market is really a critical market for Philips. It has tremendous potential in terms of manufacturing. The NCR region is seeing explosive growth, and whether it is Bhiwadi or in Rajasthan, or whether it is key areas in UP like Noida, Greater Noida, etc., Faridabad, Gurgaon in Haryana, and even beyond. The number of machines that we sell on an annual basis exceed over 500 machines per year just in the North market alone. So for us, of course, a key market, key area, and we are really focused on giving our customers the best 24-hour quick support. And for that reason, we've opened a new technical center in Noida, which is really at the center of the entire territory, extremely well connected. We will be having a spare parts warehouse in this location, and we are extremely confident that in addition to the support, the excellent support that we already have in the north, this new technical center is going to take the support level for our customers in the north of India to a whole different level. So we are extremely proud and happy to unveil this new Philips Technical Center towards the end of this month.